If it doesn't, and it just originally comes up with this stuff, then you're fine. So I don't really worry about this stuff. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're back with another Shotcut tutorial. Now I did do one yesterday, but I was thinking I was running out, but then I came thought of export. Now I have a file here ready to be exported. I already have this video uploaded on YouTube, but I just thought I'd use it as an export tool. So once you're finished with your video, you not get anything else to add, and you want it all to be together, then you want to go to export. And then this is just my way of using it. This is how I was taught, because I had to use tutorials first. But I use the H264 high profile. So now if this doesn't show up, then it will just be in stock. So you just go to stock, H.264 high profile, and then if it comes up with this, just click advanced. If it doesn't, and it just originally comes up with this stuff, then you're fine. So I don't really worry about this stuff. I just kind of go into the frames per second. It might say 25, but I just changed it up to 30. And then I go into the codec, and I change the quality to 70%. And audio, I don't really worry about that. You don't really need to worry about that. If you want to know how to use it, then you should probably go search it up, because I don't know how to use it, because I don't. After that, you just want to go to export file, and then you just want to save it. Just save it as something. Then you'll see it take you to jobs, and it will start exporting. So at this little bit here, it will come up with a time. It doesn't come up with a time straight away. It will come up with a time throughout it. As you can see, the time right there. It's not always accurate, but it's just giving you a kind of estimated how long it will take. Now, depending on the size of the video and what you've done in the video, so like if you're adding like brightness, size of decisions, lots of cuts, long video, different filters, it will take longer depending on that. So if you're wondering if you've got like a 4-minute video and it's taking like over an hour, then it's probably because your filters. If you don't have a lot of filters and it's only like 4 minutes and it's taking like an hour, then you probably got a slow computer. But yeah, so yeah, that is how you export. So if you did enjoy this video, make sure you smash the thumbs up, that'd be appreciated. Also, hit the subscribe button for more community and live streams like the control down in the description below. So it's my last video, as well as my second channel and last video. So yeah, thank you all for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Another note, this will probably be my last Shotcut tutorial unless I think of anything else. So if you need help with anything, go down below into the comments and tell me what you need help with, and I will do a tutorial on that. So yeah, peace.
I was on to plug my own film. It's Star Wars. I am in this film. I believe I did one scene, and JJ was so blown away by me in the background